everyone, and welcome to Calm Creations Flosstube. My name is Tia, and this is my little space on YouTube where I share all my crafty bits and pieces and things that I've been up to. We are back for day 5 I think, update, and yesterday I chose the little owl piece by Doreen Jones. So there is my list. So I got it finished, and you know what, I've really missed finishing cross stitch pieces. I don't stitch fast enough to be able to finish anything. So these were a couple that I had stitched a while ago and never got round to finishing. So here is my little finished piece. So it was a mirror, which you would have seen in the video last night, and so I've just put pom-poms all the way around, and I made some little pins, and I made a little pom-pom spider with some pipe cleaners and a pom-pom, and it's all done. So that was fun. I really enjoyed finishing that piece. But we've got 2 days left, so whatever I draw today, we're going to know what the next day's project is. So I'll go ahead and draw both of them. So now I've got Spencer here for the weekend, so I don't know how much I'm going to get done. There may be a bonus finished piece, there may be, only because one of the remaining ones is the Christmas quilt, which I definitely won't be able to get done while he's here, but we'll see how that goes. So here we go. We've got 2 left. What have we got? We have got Diamond Painting Family. Now it's not actually called Family, it's called Welcome. So that one I should be able to do while he's here, because I can take that in the lounge. So that's that one, and then obviously the last one is the Christmas quilt, so which is that one there. But we will see how we get on, and yeah, I'm not too sure what I'm going to get done while he's here, but we will cross that bridge when we come to it. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful evening, and I will see you all again tomorrow with an update. It'll have to be when he's asleep. So yes, I'll see you then. Thank you. Bye. Right, I better show you where I'm at so you can see the progress. Forgot that bit. So those 3 parts are done, and then I've got 3 left. So that's where we're up to. See you tomorrow. Bye.